It's a saddest thing. For myself, listen, I'm not a vegan. I follow a traditional Chinese medicine diet myself. But a lot of people today, that live in the vegan camp are really offended by people eating meat. Listen, I'm not offended when people eat meat. I am offended when we treat animals with no respect, and we really essentially torture these animals. For me, doing a chicken, they should be free roaming. They should be eating seeds, running around, enjoying their life, getting sunshine. Go organic and wild and natural anytime you're consuming any form of a meat product.